This is Tobot R reporting live on the scene, where I will now initiate Operation Tobot Rescue.
They should be in here.
What's he gonna do with them? I don't want to know.
Let me think. There must be a way out.
There's no time to think. Where's Zor?
Ladies and gentlemen, what a lovely evening. I'm so glad you could join us for this very special once-in-a-lifetime event. Now then, prepare to be amazed as I make the Tobots disappear.
No!
Before we begin, I would like to thank the pilots for inspiring me. Thanks. You're the ones who drove me to do this.
What? You're making stuff up.
Oh, am I? All you do is meddle. It's so annoying. Tell me, which one of you decided that coming here would be a good idea?
We all did together. What do you care? Corey, don't let him manipulate you.
Hang on. Why should we even answer his questions?
Hey, you are obstructing a police officer! That's a major offense!
Such a quick temper. I must remind you, we are under some time pressure.
All right, fine. Let's get on with the show then.
You can't! Come on!
Stop it!
What's that?
It's R!
And just as the bad guys have them cornered, Tobot R comes to the rescue!
I'm really sorry for ditching you guys. I promise that I'll never do it again.
I knew you'd save us!
How'd he get in?
It appears he's stronger than we thought.
Well, the show must go on, as they say. I have to give him credit for a great entrance. Not bad.
Hurry! Free them!
We're fine. Just save our Tobots.
1, 2, 3! Set them free! You can't beat the Tobots team!
Oh man, they're locked up too tight. What are we gonna do?
I'll use my trusty fireman's axe! Okay, let's carry these guys outside and recharge them!
Go ahead. There's a plot twist coming.
Horrors! Cried Thomas, and shut his eyes.